Hi, I'm Martin from Lumatek and I'm excited to share with you the features of the amazing and brand new Lumatek Attis 200W and 300W Pro LED grow lights. Lumatek has reinvented the Attis line, now achieving more light intensity, better spread, uniformity and coverage, more controllable and capable than ever. The new Lumatek Attis Pro line is an unmatched duo of compact, practical, plug-and-play and discreet grow lights for the horticultural market. A versatile light for both ambitious beginners and professional growers that produces a pure full-spectrum light achieved through the combination of higher efficiency diodes. The Attis Pro is designed for full cycle use and is also an ideal feature for early growth cycles in small and compact spaces. When seeking light quality and quantity, feature efficiency and reliability in design, performance and lifetime, the Lumatek Attis Pro 200W and 300W features provide the optimal solution for 0.8 by 0.8 meters and 1 by 1 meters grow spaces respectively. Built using high-quality Lumatek controllable drivers and latest generation higher efficiency top beam, white, red and far red LEDs, the upgraded diodes on the Attis Pro are now more evenly distributed across the whole length of the light bars, resulting on a more even light spread, uniformity and a larger footprint. Other new features of this new line design includes the removal of the acrylic cover and the addition of a thin layer of clear glue protection cover on the LED bars, resulting in higher light transmittance of 99% without light loss, increased lifetime of diodes, and extra corrosion resistance. Also includes a new IP65 water and dust proof rating and a control capability with the Lumatek Control Panel Plus 2.0. With a higher feature efficacy for both fixtures at 2.7 micromole per joule for the 300W Pro and 2.5 micromole per joule for the 200W Pro, growers can now provide even greater light output for their crop at a minimal cost, delivering up to 816 micromole per second from just 300 watts with an ultra slim profile and low heat creation. By the way, as you may know, there are always common issues regarding height distance from canopy to the light. For example, if light is too far, lower leaf drop, stretching, stem growth or even growth stop may occur. If light is too close, canopy leaf burn, bleaching, stem growth and growth stop can also happen. To help you avoid any of these issues, you can check our detailed product spec sheets on our website and ensure that your canopy is receiving the optimal PPFD levels according to your growth stage. Now let's move on to the Attis Pro line full spectrum, where we have new and exciting innovations. Previous generations of LED grow lights used a mixture of royal blue and deep red LEDs to target chlorophyll absorption peaks. Whilst these solutions worked adequately, they missed out important spectra for quality plant growth, lacked penetration through dense canopies, and provided poor visibility for inspecting and maintaining grow rooms. Lumatek Attis Pro grow light solutions use a blend of 4000K white, 660nm deep red and 730nm far red diodes to produce a highly efficient light source calibrated to provide high intensity, stable and uniform output for optimal light absorption. And there is more. Lumatek's innovative design and advancement in LED technology has produced a high-powered LED grow light with passive convection cooling. This fanless design means no moving parts, so Lumatek LED fixtures can achieve a long lifespan and operate silently. The Attis Pro features can also be externally controlled with any universal digital controller. But with the Lumatek Digital Panel Plus 2.0, you can set up light timing, automated dimming with 1% increments, temperature safety control, memory backup and sunrise and sunset mode for up to 100 fixtures, meaning more control and automation. In short, no more missing out on what is really important. The Attis Pro will love your plants and your plants will love them back, because the Attis is reborn and ready to help growers grow. Thank you for watching, see you soon!